Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to change the name on your Pinterest account on your profile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly get into the video. So how do you change the name of your Pinterest account? Click on the unsaved option on the first thing. Then you have to click on the profile picture on the bottom section on the top. Then you just need to click on the view profile option. Now here you have this option called edit profile. Click on the edit profile. So now the first name and the last name. So now here you can just change your first name and last name. Like I just going to change my last name as 22 or 22 like that. So after entering the or changing your name, you have the option to done. Click on the done option. So now you can see your Pinterest name has been changed. This is actually the name, not the username. So there is a difference between the name and also the username. So you can just easily try this method and you can just change your name on the Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.